Hi guys, how are you? Today we are going to work with math. Necessary material is carton and Cheerios. I know, you have Cheerios at home. Yes. Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? Hoy vamos a trabajar con matemática. Materiales necesarios: un cartón de huevo, Cheerios. Here I have a net carton. I put numbers inside. Come, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Let's count in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now we are going to put the Cheerio according to the number. I finished. Now you can do it at home. Ya terminé. Ahora tú lo puedes hacer en casa. Bye guys. See you soon. I miss you.